Hi, Camille and the Studio Birds here with another Beyond the Cover. This one of my little books, a pamphlet stitch book called Light. I thought that would be something good to show during these long dark winters. This is made with an Eastern paper hosho, and it has a little slip case, and the pamphlet stitch book has the hosho in it, as well as a little slip of yellow unreal paper in it. And it contains an Irish blessing. It's stitched and has a tiny little Czechoslovakian bead there at the spine. And the blessing inside reads, "May the blessed light be on you, light without and light within. May the blessed sunlight shine on you and warm your heart until it grows like a great fire. A great fire that a stranger can come and warm herself at, and also a friend." And there's the colophon. So I thought it would be kind of fun just to show you how to make this simple origami envelope. And to do that, you just need to figure out how tall you'd like that envelope to be. And once you've figured out the height, all you do is multiply that by 4, and that gives you the measurement for the length of your strip. We're going to go ahead and start by dividing this up into 4 sections, and to do that I'm just going to fold it in half. And the trick with this little envelope is pressing your folds, because if you don't press it, then things don't come together quite smoothly. Then we're going to create the last 2 sections by bringing that towards that center fold you just made and pressing those new folds, and doing that on the opposite side, which will give you your 4 sections. And it's made with just a few simple folds. You've got your 4 sections, and you're going to start out by folding the first section. You're going to fold it towards the back at a diagonal from corner to corner, and you really want to make sure that you fold that from corner to corner. So it's going to fold that straight in half, and you want to press that well or it doesn't tuck in smoothly when you get to the end. So there's your first fold. Your second fold is also to the back, and it will be on the 3rd section, and you're going to fold that from corner to corner as well. And you have a fold there that can kind of give you a guide. So you want that fold to line up with the bottom of the piece of paper. And you're going to press that nicely. Now you're about done. To finish up the envelope, all you have to do is bring this bottom section up and press that. And then to create the final parts, you just fold that over, press all of your folds there, and then you're going to just tuck this in, and this is what holds it together. So I like to kind of press that over and do that before I tuck it in. It just makes it easier to tuck in. And then you're just going to tuck that in here, and there you have it. A nice little no glue envelope that you can tuck in a book or a card or note. You can see this little book, Light, as well as many of my tutorials for artist books, scrapbooking, and cards on my Etsy shop. Camille Riner. Thanks for watching.